Hello, welcome back. Zaynes World, funniest farm animals from the Pet Collective. 17 million views 1 year ago. They're doing very well. Must be a very funny video if they got that type of views. So hopefully it'll make us laugh. What the heck is wrong with this horse? It's like, hey, hello.
It's not a horse, it's a goat.
Anyways, thank you for joining us. Let's get into it. Oh, ooh.
It's trying to headbutt me, bro.
Oh, it gotcha. Oh, fainting goats.
Yes!
You have types of goats where you make a loud noise and they just faint. They don't faint, all their muscles freeze up. Oh, baby goats are the best. Oh, look at them. I wish they could stay just like that. But then they grow up and they're like, oh, you're not fun anymore. They spit on them. Those are fainting goats. Oh! Oh! Look at that. Hear all that bacon sizzling? Oh, you do it. But yeah, this doesn't work out well. Baby goats. You'll see the funniest stuff with them. Oh no.
Oh my god.
Ew. What were you touching? Uh-oh. Uh-oh, watch it. Slippery. I fit under it? Now sneak back in. There you go. Went out, coming back home after the party, sneaking in. Oh, we all gotta paint. We all gotta paint.
He's like,
Oh, it's cold.
Hi. No.
Give me some of your hair. Ow.
What are you doing?
Scratching my butt. What do you think? Not sure who's walking who.
I'm Jason Kinsey, and this is life.
Oh.
Ich hab sie gestochen.
Oh. Oh, there we go. Good helper. Snap. Like that dog video where it crawled up into the dog's mouth. Ow. Hey, come here, drone. Oh, I saw that coming. Not nice.
Spit on him.
Spit on him, yeah.
Oh, Lisa.
One time I was young and this horse started bucking and it kicked me off of the, like, where you're supposed to sit up onto its neck, and I was just arms and legs wrapped around that thing's neck. Hold on for dear life. Don't go with horses.
Bir dur ben de yiyeyim de ben dur.
Give it to me.
Yeah. They got it.
Oh. It's like, oh. Oh, is that a turtle? Yeah, try it again. Don't learn from the first one. Get off my roof.
Oh, Christ!
I think instead of a puppy, I want a pet goat. Likes me like a second ago. Oh my.
Y'all massage my back. Okay, well, let me put my head on because y'all step on my head. It doesn't feel too good on my head. Okay.
You know, I don't know if she finds that very sexy. Not sure she... Ooh, well, okay.
You gonna headbutt me again, bully? Yeah. Hey, you gonna headbutt me again, are you?
Oh, I will not headbutt you again. See how cute they are when they're babies? They just hop around. Eat his hair.
Holy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Look how big that is. You told me you had food for me. You made me walk all the way over here. Oh, there's something I can get into here. Let me get my belly.
Good girl, Penelope. Good girl, Penelope. Boop. Good girl, Penelope.
A lot of
Good
bacon.
boy. Oh. Oh, she got you. That was rude, huh? Oh, poor Buzz.
I was like, I was being nice.
Now.
Say moo. Are you okay, Bubba?
Boom.
Boom. See, they're so cute and fun when they're small. And they get like big, and then like, just deal with that.
Guess what day it is?
Oh!
It's eating hair day.
He's being chased by a butterfly. It's attack! Run. Oh, yeah. You can get the whole pasture.
Nope.
Oh yeah. Best butt scratcher in the house right here. Hits the spot.
Oh, Samson, get back up. Uh-oh.
Like you on the hammock.
Chop. Franklin's dog.
Who?
Franklin's dog's Chop.
Who's?
GTA 5 Franklin. Yeah, GTA 5 Franklin dog is Chop.
Oh, you better hold on. Hold on.
You just saw the kid lion and I'm like,
Shiesty. Came back like no one saw. Pretend like you didn't see it. Oh. Cat's like, one me. These things have no fear, man. There's 1,000 times its size. Oh yeah. Feels good. Oh.
he's like,
Oh, look at it. Got the dance going. Yeah, you're winning. Yo, you got him. He's not giving up. Yeah.
Whoa, what are you doing?
She loves a good butt rub.
like, "Lee, let's go."
Eat little goats. Get on everything. What are those, sheep? Yeah.
Lee, look at your ear.
Oh, that cat's gonna beat him up, watch.
I think you finally annoyed him. Good boy.
Hey, anybody out there? Oh my goodness! We got one. What are you doing? With escaping lambs. Oh, Cuthbert, Gilbert. The lambs are out. Our triplets are out. Cuthbert, what's going on? We can't get Campbell's.
The whole farm coming out.
I'm surrounded by lambs at the moment.
Give it to me. Oh, poor kid. My money is not on the kid. Oh, I thought the kid was gonna be taken out.
Huh? That was gross.
It sure is gross. Just need me more.
Pig looks sad.
He's like, oh yeah, I'll have 20 more, please. What are you doing? Yeah, that's how you party. Oh, hello. Making sure you're still awake.
Oh yeah.
Man.
He's like,
He said, I'm just visiting my friend. What, a ferret? It's a ferret. You still got all your ferrets over there?
yeah.
Cool.
I think one is gonna die soon.
Happens. Uh-oh, milk time.
Okay, that's all, baby. That's all.
No, feed me more. Feed me. What a good dog. He said, I can do that too. Hippity hoppity, hippity hoppity, happy whatever I am. That's a bad traffic jam.
Randy, we're going to show how we do our tricks. Bow. Very nice. Up. It's a perfect curtsy. Come here, Randy. Come. Good girl.
Go crazy, buddy. Go crazy. They're all like, what is this thing? Oh. Oh.
Just start running. Just start running.
Oh no. Oof.
They're all like, okay, you're in charge. This way? Now that way? Alright, this way. Hey, now.
Traffic jam.
It got me. Oh, we got the belly rub right here. Whoever put this tree here, thank you. I only take cash.
You gotta get close, get.
Caitlin, back at it again with the chickens.
Ellen jumped on the car.
Stop trying to ride the cows. Rocking out. Rocking out. In that tune. Oh.
Out here.
Don't get grandma mad. Baby goats. Yeah. Jump on everybody.
Jess, get pet. Get pet.
Oh, they're hurting dogs.
That is uncalled for.
You got an itchy butt. Oh yeah. Just a spot. Just a spot. Alright, that was Funniest Farm Animals Pet Collective, 17 million views. I got you first. And... much Slurpee for this little guy.
No, I'm not.
Thank you for joining us. We will see you next time.